generally people, they are suffering. There is nobody in the world, those who are materially engaged, can say boldly that I am not suffering. Is there anybody? I challenge anyone. Can anyone say that I am not suffering? So, everyone must be suffering. No. Why these anacin tablets are advertised? Painkiller. Because they are suffering. And not in this country, but in the Western countries, America, one takes at least 12 tablets daily for mitigating suffering. Tranquilizer, this, that, so many. They are advertised and they take. At last for sleeping. Because they are more advanced. We are less advanced, therefore we are satisfied only one tablet, anacin. But they are not satisfied with one tablet. There are dozens of tablets. I have seen it. It is advertised in a subway, a train. So many tablets are advertised. So suffering must be there. Anyone who has got this material body has accepted suffering. That's a fact. But foolish people, they cannot understand. He thinks I have got very fatty and beautiful body. He is satisfied. The dog is also satisfied. He does not know that this dog's body is greater suffering than human body. The hog's body is greater suffering than the human body. But everyone is thinking, I am happy. This is called Maya, illusion. You go to a hospital, a man is lying down on the bed, and if you are, how are you? Yes, I am well today. What is well? Those who are Krishna conscious, we cannot say that they are not suffering. They are suffering, but not so acutely. They know. Thank you very much.